Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing video of Andrew and Nicole. Today we are going to unbox a phone that is very affordable for the masses. This is called the Redmi 7A. This was a affordable budget brand of Xiaomi. So we've been wanting to buy this phone for our office. We've been looking for a smartphone that is both affordable, at the same time packs a punch in terms of specifications, and of course not harmful to your wallet. This Xiaomi 7A actually comes with multiple colors. I have one in black and in blue, and we'll be unboxing two of them so that we can see what's inside the box and what can you expect when you get one. Now, I bought this from Lazada from the recent sale in September 9th. When you're watching this, the sale is over, but you can catch a next sale on 11th or November 11th. This price is around 4,000 pesos roughly, plus minus your vouchers. So in my case, I was able to get this at 4,099, and at the other one, I got it at a very cheap price of 3,600 because of all the vouchers and promos that Lazada was offering. Okay, so we're going to unbox right now this Xiaomi Redmi phone. Okay. This one. This one came with a, what do you call this, ring holder and free earphones, but this is not the video for it, so let's move to another item. This is wonderfully boxed, very well boxed, and we'll be opening it together, and two of them, so that we can see what's inside. I'll be posting the actual technical specifications of this cell phone down in the description. You can check out the links below. And if you're happy and you want to buy this phone, also use my Lazada link so that I can get a little something out of the recommendation. It will not cost you anything, but it will surely help my channel and earn me a little bit of income. Okay, so I ordered a black and blue, so hopefully it arrives in the right color. Okay, so this one came from Popcorn and this one came from Lucky HR. So we'll try to open it up and show you. It's a little bit different, that's a little bit peculiar. I hope there's no problem. Okay, so it came with in the white box. So it says here this is the blue one. Okay, this one doesn't come with any plastic packaging, and this one says this is the matte black one. Okay, this is the 2 gig RAM and 16 gigabytes storage, and likewise this is the same. I think the other one is from China and the other one is maybe locally manufactured or locally sourced here. So this is called the Redmi 7A. This was recently released this year in June 2019, so fairly new. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, this is the blue one. So it comes with your traditional charger and your USB, micro USB. Okay, and the usual one. Okay, so nothing very spectacular in that. So this is, I think, a 5 watts charger. Okay, so some packaging, and this is the blue one. Okay, so it looks okay. Now the budget phone is, of course, a budget phone. You will not expect any aluminum backing or anything like that, but for 4,000 pesos and below, I think this is worth the price. Okay, so you have here some documentation, the pin and the manual. Okay, this one is in Chinese. Okay, we open the next one here. So I somehow wish that both of them are sealed so that we can make sure that they are really authentic and no tamperings were made. Okay, so similar to the blue one, we have some packaging. Maybe this is the global version, so you might have some English manual. Okay, so and of course this one also came in the plastic. Okay, this is the black color. Okay, so as you can see, there are some minor differences. I think because of the supplier. Okay, in terms of the text, this one is in English, this one has Chinese characters in it, but they are all from Xiaomi Redmi brand. Okay, I am turning it on right now and let's see how fast it will load. Okay, based on the specs, this has a 4000 milliamp battery, a 12 megapixel rear camera, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 12 nanometer octa-core up to 2 gigahertz, and a 5.45 HD display. Okay, so it has dual SIM capabilities. So it's either you can use a micro SD for your expanded storage, or you can use 2 SIM from 2 carriers. Okay, this one I think came from China directly, and this one is the global version. Okay, so you have here the cameras and the flash, and these are the volume rocker, and this is the power button. Okay, so there you go. Okay, same as here. This one already booted up. Okay, it seems that they were able to test this one. Unlike this one, from sealed factory, you can see you will have to log in from your Xiaomi, or at least your IDs. Okay, so we just choose United States. Okay, and we are in the Philippines, so we choose Philippines. I hope you'll be able to see the Lotus sticker. Okay, so setting region. Okay, so skip the Wi-Fi. Next. Actually, maybe I should just take it off to show it to you. Okay, there you go. So you have it. So you have it here. Okay, so we don't have a SIM card right now, so we can skip the steps and skip. Okay, skip. Okay, so we don't want to do that. Okay, just accept. Okay, and skip. Okay, so it's starting the boot up process. Okay, we choose the default one, and it's complete. Okay, so likewise for this one, we're going to tear this open. Okay, tear it here, and I think this one they already configured out of the box. Okay, so you have your Google apps here. Okay, so you have the settings here. This one also runs MIUI version 10.3. So we're waiting for this one to load up, so we can explore this one. Okay, so it feels like a good quality budget phone, but the processor I think is capable for your own light needs. No? So if you need it for just for calling, for texting, and playing light games, you'll be able to use this one without a problem. All right. Okay, so this one comes preloaded with Google. Since I bought it in the Philippines, so they preloaded in Google. But if you bought it in China, you might have difficulty finding Google. you'll be able to search way how to download the Google Play Store. So if you're interested, please sound off in the comments down below and I'll teach you how to do it. Alright, so let's take a look at this one, the black one, if it's loading already. So I think it's still loading. Okay. So I think this one is running it for the first time, so that's why it's taking too long. Okay, again, the specifications of this one, it comes with Snapdragon 845, no, it's not 845, it's Snapdragon 439, okay, Snapdragon 439, okay. So there you have it, guys, the Xiaomi or the Redmi 7A. This one directly precedes or succeeds 6A, also a budget phone that is well good in capabilities. So there you have it. It's already loaded. Feels very smooth, very fast. Okay. So it's gonna need to be easy on the budget. Okay. So if you're interested to buy this phone, do let me know or sound off in the comments down below and I'll show you, or I'll also post the links, and you can buy it from Lazada whenever it has some sale and you'll be able to get it for cheap. If you're in the US, this one costs about $100. Still a very good budget phone in my opinion. So thank you very much for watching this simple video. This is the Xiaomi Redmi 7A. A very good budget phone for your office or for your children or for anybody whom are tight on the wallet. Thank you very much for watching. This is Andrew and Nicole, and please give us a thumbs up and like our video. We are already 900 plus subscribers. We're about to reach 1,000, so please give us a subscribe or a like to encourage us to post more videos like this one. Thank you very much and bye bye. See you.